In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use library features in Gumroad. If you want a quick way to manage the products you've bought, the items you've saved, the creators you follow, and the reviews you've left, the library area in Gumroad is where you'll do it. It's designed to help you keep everything organized in one place, so once you know where each section is, it becomes much easier to navigate your account. To get started, log into your Gumroad account and look at the main navigation menu. From there, click Library. This is the central hub for your activity as a buyer, and it gives you access to several useful sections that help you keep track of your content and interactions. Once you're inside the library, click Purchases. This section shows the products you have already bought. It's especially useful if you need to revisit something you purchased earlier, download a file again, or simply confirm what's already in your collection. If you buy digital products often, this tab can save you time, because you won't need to search through emails or product pages to find your past purchases. Next, click Saved. This area is for products you've saved for later. Think of it as a short list of items you may want to come back to when you're ready. This can be helpful if you're browsing and find something interesting but don't want to purchase it immediately. Keeping saved items in one place makes it easier to compare options and return to them later without starting over. After that, click Following. This section lets you view the creators you follow. It's a convenient way to keep up with the people whose work you're interested in. If you like checking in on new releases, updates, or future products from specific creators, this tab helps you stay connected to them more easily. Finally, click Reviews. Here, you can see the reviews you have submitted. This is useful if you want to look back at feedback you've already shared, confirm whether you reviewed a product, or keep track of your past responses. It also gives you a quick overview of your engagement with the products you've purchased. That's all it takes to use the main library features in Gumroad. By visiting Library and exploring purchases, saved, following, and reviews, you can stay organized and make the most of your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.